If you're looking for the most delicious breakfast taco to make for breakfast or to wrap up and take with you to lunch, look no further. Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. This breakfast taco has it all. A flaky, buttery tortilla stuffed with protein-rich eggs, melty cheese, crunchy bacon, avocado, and a flavor punch from the secret ingredient, kimchi. It's a mixture of textures and bold flavors that are sure to delight all of your taste buds. Now let's get cooking. This is the secret ingredient, and I'm telling you right now, it is so delicious and it does so much. Kimchi is a traditional Korean fermented food that's packed with probiotics, antioxidants, and healthy bacteria. It has many health benefits. It improves digestion because kimchi is high in fiber and contains lactic acid bacteria, which are good for your gut. It's good for weight loss. Kimchi is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a good addition to a weight loss diet. It's heart healthy. Kimchi's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the risk of heart ailments. It can also help control cholesterol and suppress fat accumulation. Now, this breakfast taco is not only completely delicious, but it is very easy to make. And I mentioned that you can eat this for breakfast, but you can also wrap this up and take it with you to lunch. This is actually what I call a dad taco, and it's what I make Juicy Joe for lunch literally every day. The ingredients vary depending on what we have left over from the dinner the night before or just what I can find in the refrigerator. So he gets many variations of dad tacos in his lunch, but it is his favorite lunch, right, babe?
No doubt.
Right here. Come on down and let me show you the ingredients right here. This is all that you need to make this perfect breakfast taco, the most delicious breakfast taco that you will ever eat. You need 1 tortilla, and like I've said before, I always use the low carb version of a tortilla. This happens to be Mission Carb Balance because they taste just like a regular flour tortilla. So in addition to the tortilla, all you need is 2 eggs, 3 slices of hickory smoked bacon, a slice and a half of white American cheese. It's so creamy and delicious. You can use whatever cheese you want, but use this. An avocado, and of course, again, the secret ingredient, kimchi. All right, so before I go over to the stove to put this perfect breakfast taco together, and it is done in 1 pan, by the way. 1 cast iron pan is all you need for this recipe. So that's another reason why this is just the best way to put together all your favorite ingredients and just gobble them up. I make so much in cast iron pans. They are great to have on hand. They are inexpensive and they last forever. So if you'd like to grab one for yourself, I have one linked here now. So let's go ahead and slice up our avocado. And if you have not done this before, I'll show you how to slice an avocado safely. So you want to put it down on your cutting board and you're going to cut it with a knife until you hit that pit in the middle, and then just turn it until you've gone all the way around. And now you can take it and just turn it like this, and there you've got your avocado. Look, I can't even tell you how happy I was. Like, I don't even know what day it was. It was last Wednesday or something. I had this for breakfast sitting at my desk, and I'll insert the picture that I took of it and sent to Juicy Joe. And I said, oh my God, this is the best breakfast I've ever made for myself. I'm filled with joy right now. And I have to show our viewers how to make this because it's easy, but man, it is so good. You'll eat it and you'll just be like, what do I need to eat anything else ever again in my life? Why? I don't know. There's no reason. Just eat this all the time. It's so good. So now, once you've got your avocado halved, then you want to take your knife and just jab it into the pit and then turn it and it'll come off like that. And then you just take your thumb and just kind of go and fling it off of the knife. safely. Now, to get the flesh of the avocado out of the avocado, I like to use a spoon. So I get one of my bigger spoons. And now you're just gonna scoop out the flesh. Just kind of, you know, go all around it first and then kind of go down underneath, around, and then it kind of comes out all in one piece for the most part, like that. And then just put it like that so that you can cut it. This one's really shallow. It's funny how every avocado is like a snowflake. They're all different. They're all special in their own way. Okay. And then you can dice this up or slice it. And for this taco, I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. So just take your knife and just cut it into slices. But wait, there's one more thing that you wanna do anytime you eat avocado. Wait. Grab your salt, and you always wanna sprinkle just a little salt on top of your avocado slices, because avocado tastes like unsalted butter when it doesn't have any salt on it. And remember that salt does not make food taste salty unless you put way too much on. Salt brings out the flavor in your food so you can actually taste it. That is the purpose. So putting on just a bit of salt, all of a sudden, you can taste the avocado. It's glorious. So do that as soon as you slice it so it's all full of flavor. Once you place it on your taco, it's gonna be amazing. So the first step in making this amazing breakfast taco is to cook your bacon. So I like to put 3 strips in this taco. So just get your cast iron pan nice and hot and place the bacon into the pan. I'm gonna fry up some bacon now. Okay. We'll be back when the bacon's done. So another thing that you can do while you're waiting for your bacon to cook is bring up my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscription button down below and the notification bell so that you never miss a video. And then share this video and any others that you love with your friends and family, because that helps me so much get the word out that this channel is fun. We're learning to cook here, but we're having fun. I gotta flip over some bacon now. Cooking bacon, it's an exciting thing to do. Cooking bacon.
Cooking bacon.
Cooking bacon. They are done. They are perfect. So take your bacon, let it drip, drip, drip for a bit, and then put it in a plate or a bowl or whatever so that you can set it aside. Now, what I have found, I don't know why, but what I have found is you'd think, okay, you got a bunch of bacon grease in your pan, just put your eggs in there and fry them in the bacon grease, right? I find that they stick really bad in a cast iron pan with bacon grease. I don't know why, but it's the case. We're gonna use butter. So the next thing that you need to do when you're done with this is clean out this pan really quick. The second step is to fry your eggs. So now that we have our pan cleaned out, I have the fire up on, almost high, and you're going to use butter. So I like to slice about this much. It's about half a tablespoon. You can see that. And I'm just gonna pop that in my pan and let it melt. Let's kind of move it around so it covers the bottom of the pan. And now we're gonna crack both eggs into the pan. It doesn't matter if you break the yolk because you're going to break it on purpose anyway. And then you just want to season your eggs with a little salt and pepper. And now go ahead and just crack your yolks so that they're not runny. And then I like to just start to move the eggs a little bit so that they don't stick, but they're not gonna stick because you put that butter in the pan. And now you can see that they are solidified enough to go ahead and flip. So I'm gonna flip them now. Right, the worst flip ever. And just after about 30 seconds, the eggs are gonna be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the pan and put them in this plate right on top of the bacon. Now is where it all comes together. I'm going to put a little more butter into the pan. At this point, turn the heat down just a little bit because the pan is already pretty hot. And now grab your tortilla and put it in the pan. And now go ahead and add your slice and a half of white American cheese. Add your eggs. And keep everything on this side. Add your bacon. So open up your bag of kimchi. Okay, look, I think it smells good, but it is pungent.
It stings the nostrils.
Just take your tongs and grab some kimchi. And it looks just like Asian sauerkraut, basically. Put it right on the taco, as much as you want. And then add the slices of avocado. Now take your spatula and just fold it over. Turn off your heat, because as you can see, this taco is already browned to perfection. And now it's time to plate this up and take a taste. So this is the part of the video that you normally don't see. I'm plating the beautiful thing that I just made, which is the taco, for you so that it's all perfect when it's time to taste, right? So while I'm doing that, I wanted to remind you, if you haven't already, hit subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. And also, share this with your friends. This is literally what Juicy Joe and I eat every day. Some form of this taco every day. This combination of flavors is out of this world. Share us with your friends. It's so worth it, right? You already know how worth it is. Now they need to know. Now it's time for some hot sauce, because it's pretty and it's delicious. So we're gonna hit it, hit it, hit it. We'll be right back. We gotta take some pictures.
Dancing in the kitchen means one thing. Many things.
It does. Do you know what it means? And now it's my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. How can I be this excited to eat something that I eat every day of some variation? Usually it does have eggs in it, and then it's just, what do I have, you know? I'm just telling you, once I discovered kimchi, I discovered the health benefits of kimchi, the amazing flavor. And as soon as I tried it, I thought, holy crap, this is gonna be so good on eggs. And then make it into a taco, and then add bacon, and my mind just started to explode. And I'm salivating right now. So let me take a taste so that you can see how wild I'm about to go. It's dripping everywhere. Oh my God, where do I begin?
Time for the flavor breakdown.
Time for the flavor breakdown. Listen to this. It gets crunchy, okay? Because you put the butter in the pan, and the whole time it's sitting there in the pan, it is browning up and getting nice and flaky and crunchy. Inside, you've got your fried eggs, your crispy bacon, and it's meaty and delicious, and I got hickory smoked bacon, so it's smoky. You've got your kimchi with the crunch and the vinegary bite that it has. But kimchi is different than sauerkraut because it's got almost like a tomatoey flavor that goes along with that. So it reminds me of just a Tex Mex ingredient, and that's why I love it so much. And I know if you guys love my food, which you do, you will love it too. And then the slices of avocado add this buttery texture and flavor, and man, do I love avocado. And then I put hot sauce on almost everything, so I put hot sauce on it as well because I could not help myself. All that together, oh yeah, and the melted cheese. Melty, white American cheese, or any cheese that you like. Cheddar would be great in this as well. It is so good, so delicious, so satisfying because you have really good fats in the avocado, you've got the meat in the bacon, all of that goes together, and the fiber in the kimchi. You'll eat this, you'll be so happy because it was so delicious, and you'll be full for half the day. So if you liked this video, at the end of this video, I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will love. I'm Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time. Anyway, take your bite, baby.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's see if maybe you like this flavor combination.
All right.
You got a little avocado
Good.
in your beard, baby.
All right, peeps.